Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the MAC address of your ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so let's begin. So we are on the IMEI.info page, and now first we need to type our IMEI number of our device right in here in this bar. So simply type your IMEI number. If you don't know how to check it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you this whole page and all possible options on it, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number. And now, once you have typed your IMEI number, click on check IMEI. And now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks right in here. And now we need to click on MAC address check. Now scroll down, and now in this text bar we need to type the MAC address of our device. If you don't know how to check it and how to find it, as you can see I have the ZTE device in front of me. To do it, click on the settings. Now scroll down into the bottom, click on about phone, scroll down again, in here click on status, and in here you can see device Wi-Fi MAC address. Now simply type it in this bar and click on check MAC address. Also in here on the side you can click to how to find it. Click on lookup, and in here also you have a instruction how to do it. You might not see it right now because you can see now the device on the right side of the screen, but you can also read this instruction on the side if you want. Alright, so now simply type your MAC address, click on this button, and now as you can see we have our results. So we have our MAC address, the company name, the company address, the country flag, also the OUI, is it private, border left and border right, assignment block size, data create and data update. And below we also have the 10 random MAC addresses that we can copy each one of them. And also, if you want, you can copy all of them at the same time by clicking on this white button, copy all MACs. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.